It's no secret that smartphones are getting, well, smarter and smarter by the minute. With each new model comes better features like faster chipset, bigger screen, and more cameras than your amateur point-and-shoot skills can handle.
Because if there was one thing people asked for, it was definitely a sensor that helps you better visualize things you can't afford in your bedroom. But you can still vaporize your friends, which is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie.
But what you might not know is that there's a lot of neat tricks your smartphone can do that's been around for years, so let's check out these 12 features your phone had all this time. What's up, Facnatics? This is Discovery Amuse, serving up your daily dose of the most outrageous, outlandish, and out-of-this-world fun facts. Once you learn about our top pick, you might not be able to put your phone down, so stick around for that.
Everybody, let's stack our phones on the table. Come on, stack them up in the center of the table.
Number 12. Split screen. Multitasking Android users rejoice because ICYMI, your phone has a built-in split screen feature that lets you run apps side by side on your screen. Want to check your calendar while writing an email, or perhaps locate a restaurant with Google Maps and look up reviews about it online both at the same time? Here's how. Just click on the Recent button on the bottom of your screen that shows your recently used apps. Click the icon on top of the app you want to use and select Open in Split Screen. Do the same thing on the lower half of the screen.
Holy rainbow.
Note though that how to access the feature might vary from phone to phone, but it pays to know that it's actually possible. Keep watching because our number one entry is a certified game changer. Number 11. Screen recording. Now let's say you're a gamer who wants to show off your 24 kills in a round of Call of Duty Mobile. Did you know that you can easily record snippets of your game to send to your friends? Or maybe you want to record that video call you're having with your long-distance loved ones. Thanks to the screen recording feature, all of these are possible.
I put it on capture.
That's a pretty good monkey.
Okay, wait a minute.
You can easily find this on the settings of your iPhone, or you can opt to add the screen recording icon to your control center for easier access. On the other hand, if you're using Android 11, you'll see the dedicated screen record button in the quick settings menu by swiping down from the top of your screen. Once you activate screen record, you even have the option to capture just the sound made by the app you're using, or both from the device and the audio captured by the microphone. Number 10. Quiet notifications. If you're playing games or watching YouTube on your phone, chances are you don't want to be disturbed by the pesky notifications. Good thing you can shut them all up but still see them on your notification tray. Simply long press the alert to trigger a prompt asking if you want the notification to be marked silent. For iOS users, you will get the option to deliver quietly. Now you can enjoy your movie without the annoying beep every few minutes. Number 9. Retrieving notifications. While we're on the subject of notifications, if you're too caught up in your Mobile Legends game and accidentally swiped an important notification away, don't panic.
Oh my god. Oh my god, no way, no way.
It's not an obvious feature, but Android phones have a notification log that lets you scroll through all your device's notifications. Just tap and hold on an empty part of your home screen. Select the Choose Widgets option, then look for Settings. Drag the settings icon to a space on your home screen, and on the menu choose Notification Log. Clicking on that icon will show you all the notifications you received. Problem solved. Now back to your ranked game.
Assemble.
Number 8. Screencasting. Love watching YouTube videos but hate the small screen on your phone? Or maybe you got some content on your phone that you want to share with others through your TV or computer screen? As long as your smart TV or monitor is Wi-Fi enabled and has internet-ready features, you don't need a Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick to do that because the latest iPhone and Android models have a built-in screen mirroring or screencasting feature that lets you connect your mobile phone to your screen wirelessly.
Magic!
What's more, for Android users, you have the option to mirror in phone mode or desktop mode, which uses your phone as a touchpad for navigation. Number 7. Work mode. Let's be real, it's hard to concentrate on work or studies with your phone sitting beside you, as if tempting you to scroll on Instagram even for just 5 minutes, or maybe 5 more, and another 5.
That was an email. That was a new post on Instagram. That was a celebrity who just died on Twitter.
It's killing me! Good thing Android offers the focus mode, which you can easily find in your quick settings. You can choose which apps to tune out and avoid at a set schedule. The closest equivalent to this in iOS is downtime under the screen time settings. This, however, blocks everything except phone calls by default, which is probably for the best IMHO. Number 6. One-handed mode. With the overly saturated smartphone market, mobile devices are getting bigger and bigger, but the problem is our hands are still the same size. The struggle is real! And how do you know your phone's too big?
You know your phone's too big when you pull up at a red light and a homeless guy shows up with a squeegee and is like, "Hey man, can I clean your phone?"
If you're carrying stuff in one hand and trying to text on your phone with the other, then the Quick Ball on your Android phone might do the trick. If the one-handed mode is enabled, you can just pull up the Quick Ball and click on the one-handed mode option. For Samsung users, you can also either swipe down or double tap on your home screen to launch this mode. Same goes with the reachability function on your iPhone. Just swipe or double tap the home button and you're good to go. Number 5. Shake to undo. Typing a long, sincere apology to your boo, but realized you sounded a little too insincere? Take it from Tay-Tay and just shake it off. With the Shake to Undo feature on your iPhone, just give your phone a little jiggle and it will ask you if you want to reconsider that self-centered non-apology. Or better yet, just give Bay a freaking call already, will ya?
I don't expect to be forgiven. I'm simply here to apologize.
Number 4. Native QR code reader. From discount offers to easier contact tracing during the pandemic, QR codes have become a more convenient way to access information with the touch of a button. But did you know that you don't need to have a separate app to scan them anymore? With your iPhone, check your camera settings and enable Scan QR codes. With that done, you can just point your camera to the code and the link should pop up. Got an Android? Scan the QR codes with Google Lens. And while we're on the subject, did you know Google Lens can also do a lot of neat stuff like identify landmarks, name plants, and even check the breed of your pet? I know phones are getting smarter, but this is just mental.
Oh, you are good, but I am better.
Number 3. Share your Wi-Fi. These days, what's the first thing your guests ask when they walk in your door?
Hello. Hiya. What's your Wi-Fi passcode?
Why would I tell you that?
Annoying, I know, but if you're feeling extra generous, you can actually share Wi-Fi access without having to share your secure password. If you're running Android 10, you can display a QR code on your screen that will give other people access to your Wi-Fi network automatically. For iPhone users, you need to download the Share Wi-Fi shortcut to generate your QR code and save it as a widget on your home screen for easier access. So, the next time someone asks for your Wi-Fi password, you don't have to go like this.
I'm glad you asked. Uppercase O, W, lowercase, uppercase T.
Number 2. Louder than loud. If your volume's already on max, but you want your song to play even louder because, hey, that's your jam, you can actually go to your iPhone's music settings and find the equalizer. Just tap Music, then EQ, and set it to the late night option, and your audio will play about 20% louder. Just don't be that annoying neighbor who actually plays loud music in the middle of the night.
Eat this.
Before we go to our number 1 pick, do us a solid and make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to choose all so you won't miss out on any of our latest life-changing, boredom-busting content. And of course, be sure to turn on notifications in your app settings. Number 1. Time your apps. Now, this is a pretty humble feature, but still works wonders for me. As someone who spends my last waking minutes lying on the bed with the phone screen on my face, I often forget to turn my phone off as I doze off into dreamland while the video's still playing. Thankfully, you can schedule when your apps or media turn off. Just go to your iPhone's timer and click When Timer Ends, then scroll down until you see the Stop Playing option. Once your set time elapses, all media playing on your phone will automatically shut down because everyone needs a break from watching too much TikTok. How about you? Have you discovered any other secret features on your phone? Share your tips and tricks in the comment section below. Take home any of our exclusive gear by browsing our merch shelf or clicking the link in the video description. And while you're at it, take our quiz to find out how you can earn extra cash online doing what you do best. Awesome, right? Audiophiles, here's something special just for you. Check out our list of the 10 strangest musical instruments right now. Till then, stay ingenious, Factnatics, and see you in the next video.